takes a beeline for center stage and claims it as its own! How will Scythe Incendio handle this?
Go! Scythe Incendio!
That won't be enough to budge Horn Rhino!
We're not done yet! We'll attack as much as we have to!
That Jian's got an arm on her.
No kidding. But Robin's not going down without a fight.
We'll be done here soon enough. Attacking like that again won't work here.
Now's our chance!
Oh, I know where this is headed!
Huh?
Here goes nothing!